I was in the Marine Corps. I served in Iraq as a public affairs officer. So I had to teach writing to my Marines. And it's incredibly gratifying to be able to help somebody who is something important to them that they want to convey and help them find the tools to sharpen the expression of it so that it can reach out to another person.
It's important to have a faculty member like Phil. There's somebody on the faculty that, is a veteran like me and that, I share the same experiences and can write the same type of material that I like to write.
It is tremendously valuable to have those sorts of stories, to just have a more diverse and rich understanding of war in the 21st century and the veterans' experience.
As our wars become more technologically sophisticated and a smaller and smaller percentage of the country joins the armed forces, it becomes ever more important for military veterans to write about their experience, because sometimes that's the only authentic experience someone's going to have.
Low residency is a really ideal way to teach creative writing. It allows people to work on their writing during the year, get feedback during the year, get assignments and readings that are geared specifically to them and to what they're trying to achieve, and then come in for intensive residencies twice a year where they get the community, where they get the other people, where they get the face-to-face interaction.
I would describe Enders Island as a almost magical place to come out to. It's beautiful and it's very inspiring.
The experience of the MFA program here is about the closest to being back on ship as anything I've done since I left the Navy. And I mean that in terms of the hours. Nothing to do for 24 hours a day, 9 straight days, but tend to our writing and nurture it and grow it.
It is essential that veterans stick together and have their own community. It makes you feel like you can open up more, which is what you need in your writing. And you can't write well if you're guarded.
One of the many reasons I selected Fairfield was because not all veterans have fully 100% of their education covered. Fairfield is such a military-friendly school. I like the fact that they offer grants. You cannot go wrong out here. This place is amazing. So the scenery is great. If you can't write here, I don't know where you could write.